occasionally shit like that happens. Don't know what nasty chemicals in there, but don't think I want to find out. 5 minutes later, still recording. Well, YouTube, it's me again. The AC chopping it up didn't end well. It what do you call it? I guess that one had Freon in it, so it pretty much went and just pissed Freon everywhere. All over my bench, I should say. So yeah, I threw it, promptly picked it up and threw it outside, because that's where it probably should go anyway. So that's the I don't know, I'll probably edit it here and just be like, oh well, that's what happens when you play with fire, you get Freon. Anyway, I'm gonna put this away, and thanks for watching, and I'll update some of the scrap. The only thing I kept out of it was this thing, because see that? It's another one of these little notch things, but I learned something new on I learned something new on YouTube. That's a really good idea. Instead of just not trying to notch them all up, to drill holes in it first, the right size to fit vice grips, and then after just take an angle grinder and cut it to that size hole, which is pretty neat. Learn something new every day. Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood. So anyway, thanks for watching. Enjoy.